Welcome to another episode of Fun Quest. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own super slip and slide. Let's start with the materials. First thing you're going to need is some clear plastic sheeting. You can pick this up at Home Depot or Lowe's. Next, you'll need some duct tape. You will need some scissors, a hammer, and a handful of stakes. You'll want to start by unfurling the roll and deciding how long you want your slip and slide to be. This particular package comes in 100 feet. I decided to make mine about 75 feet. You'll also want to decide how wide you want your slip and slide to be. I cut mine in half because I felt like 10 feet was too wide. However, you can certainly keep it that wide. Next, I made sure that the end was cut nice and even, as this was going to be the point of entry. I also added tape on this end to help prevent tearing. I added additional tape where the stakes were going to go. You'll notice I put a piece on the two corners and then two more pieces. I tried to keep the middle section empty, as that's where people were going to jump onto the slip and slide. I continued this process of putting pieces of tape along the sides as reinforcement where the stakes would go. I'm using that piece of PVC pipe to make sure that each of my pieces of tape is the same length apart. You'll also notice that I'm using that rag to dry off the condensation that had built up on the plastic underneath. That way the tape would stick securely. I placed the tape reinforcement approximately every 4 feet. In retrospect, that was probably overkill. You could probably get away with putting them every 8 feet. Now the slip and slide works effectively on any terrain as long as it's wet. However, it's much more enjoyable if you have a nice hill. The final step is to stake it down. You'll notice here we added some additional fun in inner tube. This worked exceptionally well. After you've had your fun, be sure to leave it out to dry before folding it up. Then it's ready to store. Hope you enjoyed the video. Comment below with any questions or thoughts. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell to receive notifications. I'll be adding more fun-filled content soon. Thanks again. See you next time.